In part 1, we built a cash flow statement with a forecast series, bringing actuals and forward-looking targets into a single connected view. In this video, we go a step further. What if you adjusted one assumption based on industry benchmarks? What would that do to your cash position? That's exactly what scenario analysis is for. We're going to build a simulation keeping 2026 as the baseline, isolating a few targeted changes, and seeing how they flow through the full statement. Head into the planning sheet. Insert a new column for our simulation scenario, seeded from the 2026 actuals. Think of it as a sandbox. Everything starts identical to your baseline, and you make surgical changes to test specific hypotheses. The first change: we're increasing investment in securities from $15K to $35.4K. This is a deliberate move to improve our reinvestment ratio, signaling that the business is deploying surplus cash into long-term growth rather than letting it sit idle. The second change: we're reducing the change in accounts receivable from minus $15K to minus $5.1K, a 66% decline. This is a modeled assumption based on industry collection benchmarks. Both of these are classic working capital optimization moves. Save the file, then expand and open your query editor view. Navigate to Manage Source. Add the new simulation series here. This single step makes your simulation data available across the entire report. Head over to the intelligence sheet. Since 2025 isn't relevant to this analysis, replace it with the 2026 simulation measure and rename it clearly. On the right side of the report, you'll see KPI cards for cash conversion rate and reinvestment rate. Duplicate these cards. Replace them with the simulation measure. Now you have a direct side-by-side comparison: actual, forecast, and scenario. Here's the final report with a finished look. The cash conversion ratio crossing 100% is a meaningful signal. It means operations are now generating more cash than reported net profit. The slight drop in reinvestment ratio from 78.9% to 75.3% is not a red flag. It's the expected outcome of a sustainable use of cash. What you've just seen is the full planning loop: actuals, forecast, scenario modeling, and executive-ready visualization. All inside Fabric Plan app.